Zibakitara TV nkabulikiro na hati amabara ninyo Julius Kyomuhendo nkabagamba amusajja mulisa kandi nzaro abamoli empako mba moti manyira abamoti tuba ikimuliki hameza so tuizena hati no muntu wawe orubazo ro muntu rwawe Hakitara TV kubasima mwebale kubagana muntu hondera na Facebook bakusubscribe nga YouTube channel yaitu bokubotaka subscribe nga YouTube channel yaitu iruka speed ogende sahazi no subscribe nga YouTube channel yaitu iwali mukundura sahazi no otaka subscribe nga YouTube channel no yasimigalo subscribe kando migena na kadekali so that video no tukuteka yo obe no girora kubasima muno akabarozi Bakitara TV emenda ya bunyoro na mbere mukale abali munsiza heru abo message tukubororaga comments abali Saudi Arabia abali Dubai abali mu America no munsizo nezembaganiza oli munyoro liyo ko side zoko no bano tuhondera abwe bali muno kyokora kyamani muno kufuba muno tubantu tundoro limirwa itu tundoro nyoro raitu na culture yaitu so ekiro kyale no ati tulesero mugenyi wawe owembaganiza nkabagambe ne program tubantu bongiso omuntu aine kintu ekyakozere omuntu aine kintu ekikusikiriza abantu okuba ni bamwegomba okuba ni ba moroleraho na kiro kino mutubongizo mukazi wa amani mukazi ono wa amani social media aho na nebintu byine byakozere tujja kubantu duhulira ko rugahaliwe Zaki Official nitujja kusimbura interview no kansabe producer tuhakazina kano aka Jesse Nectar akabakweta kingambe nibo tuije na Zaki Official. Another Plankton Treatment Production. Cream Island Records. Oh na 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 na. Yeah yeah. Okugonza kirwaire no bajanja batikikira musaya kagamba kayaka kandi kona kandi kugamba ko tamanyire olikyo buguda kyange kitagonza kindoge onkafadha ne sapure sabo tungira kasumi okusaba kwange dukwo mtima kwange kutekane olabongoza kingambe no olabatangoza kimanye njoyire bitu byo kusabuza njoyire bitu byo kusabuza Ankubatangira imo kazi nako aka Jesse Nectar ke bakweta kingambe ngambo omuntu wetulesere kiro kino redemo muboine mukazi naka akabamunka nka murujungaga murujungwa bamweta Vixen so nobuzino obundi tujajja kuba nabutugambira so kamubanjulire Zakia tukutangirira Kitara TV
mwebale kusangwa Bakitara TV nanyo semero basanga kuba TV yanyu I'm very proud
nyowe abantu bakumanyire nka Zaki Official baitu nkimanyiro ina amabara gawe nka agandi agobzali
amabara banyeta Nyakira Zakia then inkolesa neria ruhindi yori bari isenyowe as social media kale nkolesa Nyakira Zakia ruhindi but when you say Zaki Official abamuki basoundingira speed kukenga Zakia uwo kumanyisa yeah nigaga mabara then bunyayizire hoima bampe mpako ya boki boki wena mwini hoima
baka kugambira boki ngeri emanyisa
ntahabuzi I was just excited
ata boki kabaka pimpina ogambire nti buwayizire hoima oli muki okajja bujja hoima toli munzaro ya bunyoro oli muki oruganda rwawe
oruganda rwange ntamusiji Banyarwanda ntamusiji my papa is a Mnyarwanda then my mami atamyankore mami wanga azire engabi daddy wanga azire ntengobi kan ya mtu mujabi yetegereza cause you're not from there from Barara but kanda abakuru wa Kitara TV abatari banyo bakusa kwani babyetegereza countrywide
entengobi tiniyo twita nan nkente ntimba I guess so abanyankora bakutondera mu mutwe comments entengobe ni yenkya so Zakia tusemerere kuba nayi wa Kitara TV kandi we bali no kutwaka ile kana
nanyosemereirwe muno abarozi ba Kitara mwe bale kusubscribinga mwe bale tufollowinga buri hamu tusemererwa muno nimutera akadako yeah.
So tutakagenzere harayira otugambire oli mu kazi munyarwanda okajja bujja bunyoro. Besides that omuntu akwenda kurora bunyoro bunya Kitara TV akwendeze kenga Zakia ni wuha.
Zakia ni wo muntu ayakuzire nayenda modeling. No byabe nasoma. She was in form 1 actually akapitandika P7 naenda ku modelinga. Everything could have ebyayijaga as in kebya music industry endaga byetabe muno kuruga mbuto endaga ku maiminga endaga contesting a Miss School na kila contesting oyo unfortunately yabaga first runner second runner yeah that was Zakia hati yakora passion egyo hati yakuzire yatandika kukora muka ya ruga yatandika kukora hata abo kuba kakora na passionate bwafuna akasente arora akora ekintu kyayenda mutima yeah baka kuzara nkahabo kuba abutfaino takagenziro rubaye halo bagiye tugambire nti okajja bujja mbunyoro iyi kujja mbunyoro baka kuzara nkana mbiri wakuliro bomezi bwawe ino kyali mwana muto kale kunzara bakanzaira matuga ya bakanzara matuga twarugayo twagenda Ibanda nisoma Ibanda for some time nyarugayo nyagenda Mbara for high school I didn't join campus nibonya bene njya Hoima in my vacation yeah matuga ya hano wacho matuga Kampala ya okay so kwijja kwawe mu Hoima ukaba oina yabo Ruganda obajja soka ijja bijja kutozo bomezo ekibento kibakwendeze oba kukora nkajja nyine yabo Ruganda I have my relatives around so nibonya izire ho hamatu nibantegekera come here and here hati bunya izire yo actually I had come to visit them yakira yo hanyumira then I was like I can get something to work around na nyonke kuraniza kintu kyange kyenyenda cause mukaba mfugaga I couldn't get out of the gate bafugaga batakwenda ambikore so bunya funde chance yo kuturuka muko when I came to visit my relatives nyakwatura yo kuno tinyakiora yo yeah obugugu kaba mwaka kyabo kwa nyo kustandika kurora nkatandika kura I think it was 2018 timanyire okajja Hoima mwaka ki nigo gwenyini wandoleire mu 2018 that was the year mid 2018 yeah so bowaizire Hoima yakunyumira yeah wagamba nti okusobora kuba nokoraho nebindi hano ba Hoima nyagamba nkusakora emirimo era yihaye kitone kyange ekinyarugire butoni nyenda kikumodolinga hati kandi bunyafunire omulimo my boss was easy tiyampaka nagakora kinu no bunyamugambaga want to go for photo shoots nagamba it's okay you can go bunyamugambaga there is a video shoot I have to appear in nagamba it's okay you can go so kwegamba my life in Hoima ekabanungi bakantangira abanyo and I appreciate it by the way it's not such ntingo muntu iwo jagumyo gende like in Kasese bakwende the way they like Zakia no I appreciate it is a blessing and I'm loved here in Hoima so tugambe Hoima ekaba yomugisa haliwe yeah kaba yomugisa muno cause I'm loved I have old people here people who are responsible akusagamba Zakia is my girl Zakia is my friend Zakia bichi yeah iwe bunyoro gisangire uta generally challenge hizo sangire mbunyoro kuruga myaka around hati myaka genda mwena 5 kurugo ijya Hoima challenge hiyo sangire nabanyoro of course challenge te kubura many want to know who is Zakia many want to know Zakia Kikorata they can even create propaganda nibagambo nu wara atabikorate byaye you get they try to compete they try to what niba creatinga some words obimanyire nayo nibakuteka ekyotakora but abantu aba close nayo they know the person you are so I'm happy that people are close to me bankenga kurungi banyetegeza kurungi they can't judge me but other people batakansembereraga they keep judging her habwakiki tugantu murana akora bino baro across to me those ogo muleke mtamjudginga we know her yeah Zakia ojja kujja Hoima hana bunyoro na kutwaliza hamu ebintu bino bya modeling tibikabayire mu sente betu Zakia oli mukazi ajwara munongo izabei sente zino ziyanka sente mbeli nziha my personal designers, they understand me. You jagenda boutique. You jagenda boutique yona kasanga nyo kintakora. Me I go to my personal designers. You are aguzile mpera 30k, nyo bajagi mpera 20. Because I'm always buying from there. Kani nyo tinjagenda ninkoma koma buli duka. I get one shop or two where I will get my stuffs. Bei ntaito ibasubulira onyonyo bampeeraho. Yeah, I will not be like you iwaragura yo satemu halo kagura hera obajja kusera.
Fine bakusaliraho baitu sente zino zakia aro nyowa arobo nkurura osanga mu wiki emu ojerengo ize mirundi nk'etaano ezo sente nyingi muno zakiyozi yanga.
But I'm a hard working lady. Yeah, I hard work every day. I make sure ndukire mukanya jakore sente mtauli. I'm a hard working lady. Tindi barabajja kubyama kwindo musajja zara kuha. Na nyo bampa yes, my man gives me, but not that much. Jingo zijja kundolera not really. I have to wake up, I go for work. Nazo nizinyamba because I have no a kid usekinkorerera. Yeah.
Omuntu mungo yezawe ezizini zokira kujwara ngo ike zisinga kunyumira no gamanti mbonyo bwenjwara anti rugayiru no runyumira.
Hare nyowe bonjwara bikino bondora nenyuma baitu kanda attention y'abantu.
Bikini ni boburaho.
Bikini babuno baitu tuwesara. Choka kanda abantu babona bakirora ku of course appearance chokamba ninkimanya mba ninkimanya bagenda kumbyajinga so ndugamuka nimanya enjoyire kubi choka nyo amutima ninkienda choka ndora audience agenda kora zakiya bikibyajoyire bino choka ndora and smart because I love it and I expect people to talk about it so no babaza mentally surprised because mbijwa ninkimanya they are going to attack me.
Abintu byokora bino perception y'abantu ekisani ky'abantu okisangira ota ngero nke kugambira nti aro byojwara abantu batakubyenda okikozera ota kurora nti wayemera hali bigambo by'abantu ebakubaza ebintu nkebyo hango izo kuba nojwara
ekimpa amani that my old friends abala town hano abali muhoyi mamuni bunyoro yo nakare banyetani bangamba mwana wange rero hatuko hingura nize. You get it. Aho nimanya ensobeze. Hati njya kumana ke weekend muni ninjwara smart and decent. Hati nimbazimia. Then next time no ndakateka mugumu. Aho tibajja before bajja kumana customers bisumata atake abijwara. Niko ntiyo mbakora.
Omuntu bakubayizire nko munju yawe mu wardrobe. Ngo yikizi kusinga obwingi za kusangama.
And of course ezo kusirenga nzajja kusanga mutajja kusanga memi enagiro tajja kusanga megomasi ojja kusanga mebi azakiye byo ku modeling ojja kusanga mu costumes zio osange mu two pieces osange mu top bra butarime byo tokusana kwetegereza no sana okuhabuza bayitukano bakajwara bati nibyo ojja kusanga mu wardrobe ya Zakiya. Yeah.
Zakiya engoye zinu orugoye burujwara kiro kino marakayire kikurugaruka mu karujwara. Hariho
rumbani nyenda mutima olinyakorere nka order ningamba my designer this and this kinyumire nikimsikira WhatsApp or onkusa rugaruka in like 3 months akuba ronkurwenda then harozinu ezojwano gamba kamarega jiwari ebe ni miezi mkaga na msangira gani kakabiza kamuga video rimbanta taira attention muno akuba nibiye biro. Yeah, because arengo is vastario Kampala notoze kyo kujwa nikiba no gamba marega ndetereki ekyo you can even keep it for a year.
Ati orugoyiro singa kwenda nuro osagaruka hanyuma y'emyezi 3.
Yeah, nuro kusagaruka myezi 3.
Tugambe sente zawe zikusinga zona zihuira munanka zihuira mu ngoye.
Not really, nkore sente nyingi. Ngire emirimo nyingi yenkora. Tinkora muri mugumu. Ngire emirimo nyingi yenkora. Bon appearing am video they have to pay me. When posting nka hashtag yo na yo post yange besasuriwe. Kandi butari usente title. Yeah.
In fact aho nho mbayire ni kutwara ni ngenda kenga nkwendo yongire omura kutuhonda Kitara TV yonge kutusoborora ekintu kino kyoba model na nekyoba fashion design as a fashion era nikyoba model ekintu kino kifuna mu tabo kuba okiteka mu sente ebisani bakutera nengoye omuntu akutondera Kitara TV akwendeze kenga iwo kifuna mu water sente zino.
Okay, bwire bunu timfuna muno. But you know, here in future, people will call me for endorsements and for ambassadorship. I have that hope that I can be an ambassador of something around town. Because face yange etunda. Yani bajja kutoza baito mwisikio na ikaragwa nkaba maino rani banteresimu ngamba Zakia yaro kali mokanu nakano ijoto asharingira mikoro yaitu they have to pay me tingenda ku asharingira busa pamanya ha work because I dress njwara kurungi I put much energy in fashion tino sangane kimbustinga but for now tuzirira aho ntingu ziri nyingi of course ojja kufuna abakwendo ba asharingira ofuna ba video shoots ofune bana be mikorokoro bintu kind of center to buy to Ninyahamuga, but I have hope. I think we get energy young take I'll get something big from it in time to come. Yeah.
Akutondera Kitara TV tuina Zakia official kandi Zakia ali modo timawa muri Nyoro abakutondera Kitara TV muranyamba nti ekigambo modo muri Nyoro nkietenta. So tukwenda tukyanyumya nawe atugambire nti amarane emyezi 3 orugo yatarugarukire mu abata kwenda asana utarugarukamu marano mwaka tarujwaire. So Zakia ntugenda maiso nkwenda kutwara mu kazina timanyire kazina kiko Runyoro akasinga kukoleka.
Akazina ko Runyoro bampa akazina ka Jaboy baketa Some Love.
Kale producer tuweliza kazina ko Some Love then nubo tugaruke na interview eno na Zakia official.
Some love West B Double Beats born this one Most your boy there. Yeah she deserves some love. She deserves some love. Why not ringy. She deserves some love. She deserves some love. She deserves some love. Why not ringy. She deserves some love. 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 She no care what the people say. She never cheats, she never give a damn. She just loves you. The one and only. Omuka oleka poine. Empapura, zabasila ikwene. Baby when you for a fine. Olikiro, garuka lete. Yeah She just loves you night and day. Every day Monday to Sunday. She deserves some love. She deserves some love. She deserves some love. She deserves some love.
Abarozi ba Kitara TV mwebale mu kazina ako baketa Some Love akajabwa kandi nko kumuboinera Zakia ali mu video egibo kuba no murora mukayabaire mukazi wo mukana abona nuwogo Zakia mukazina ka Zakia kike kisinga ku inspiring abo bano okole ebintu nkabino ebya modo
Ekisinga ku inspiring I think my mind inspires me. Then ekindi a lot of people on social media inspire me because I am doing following. Nora bafunire muno mukintu ekyo. Tunanyo nimba inspired because ojja kutunura Bettina Tiana, utunwe Judith Hard, utunwe Doreen Kabarebe, nora bafuniremu. Baitu habokuba abo bali hamapo endi nyembe nitakayikire. Yeah, but I have hope until nanyondi hikayoko. Of course bali mu lighting nyingi kusinga Zakia. Bali Kampala, they are much close to TV stations, Zaman mu Uganda. They are friendly to TV personnel. Ekikubayamba okuboostinga that passion yabege bibakwene. Ben nanyewe sometimes the mind yange ngamba nye boostinge because busagenda kumboostinga.
Ngare mama.
Nyegara mamani. Hati nanyoni nyegara mamani. Hati bumba nikore bintu ebyo. Of course nihira my family to put a question mark. Nihira abantu bayingi. Sometimes I get calls from my relatives. Nangamba Zakia ko mpinguranize then mbagaruka muni mbagamba this is what I love. Aho nibachurira.
Ati ba family member ba obin bano baba dad wawe na mama wawe kintu kino bakiendekyo ekyokora.
My dad isenyo abyenda but my mom is rude. Mami wange tabienda. Kyoka okuba tagira kyokola. Nyonka mugamba okazaala moddo. Yeah. But my dad is fine with it.
Dad wano akurora na encouraging kyona kibanokola.
Yeah, sometimes he quotes nangamba mwana wange kinu kandi nimugamba dad ibine ebintu niko byetagi so inakola kinu niko kiheyo kile kyenyuma okore kile niko kyongereyo maiso niko bakutoze kurungi nangamba okay it's okay nata commentinga but my mom ogwaja kutera nesimu nakunganisa yeah but I don't give her attention.
I know aruha abantu abatabimanyire bine ebintu abani bakurani bagamba ogo mukaza omwisiyoga kasisikara aro scenario yo bayirone abantu bakwakana no kuba kilos naba maybe naba haraba ababikini bagamba Zakia ajja kusisoga kasisikara ira obayiro mu situation nkeke
hatege niyo nkyatsinge no kuba people judge me people judge of what I do people barazakia online bamjudginga live bebe rentinge bya online bye bigenda kunyombeka hata ikikora zakia ikalire hali taina kia kora ngabukubo kwenda be mwana wa pastor byo tubijja kunyombeka nyowe I have to do something that will build me up. Yeah, I'm looking for betterness in future. Of course abantu ebyo tubajja kiro ntingu nikia kutoza. Of course buri wakajiwara kanu bagamba ogo malaya ogo bichi ogo maharawa nankaka sisikara nyoti nyana bana banga kabesembereza ebintu kebebe nobaza. Yeah, that's what people quote. Yeah.
Ka challenge kezindi zosangire mulimo guno gukora guno gwa modo.
Challenge nderimu tinkafunire I don't have a management. Sometimes the sentence was taroho and they have to look for lead for better for worse zinakubaho again yo challenge nyasinge yo kufuna because I don't earn a lot.
So ekizibu challenge eri ya sent right?
Yeah. Sente nizeziki abura mukataitu. Yeah.
So ati saha zinu zakiyara abantu omuntu akurora wa akitarative akwendeze kenga umuntu kyaswinga kuinspiringa mu kintu kino no gamanti so and so is my role model mu kintu kino kinko
mu bya modeling Judith had and Bettina had Bettina Tiana ni baba aba inspiring ku modeling then mu kintu kya fashion there is some artist ono mkazi Lydia Jasmine anjwaira kurungi outfits then in Kaito Spice Diana.
Okay.
Then hairstyle of course Bettina Tiana short hair. Yeah.
Akienkaito mubomezi bawo iwo inapea nkazingazi enkaito bokubo bazaba zire mu inapea zingazi enkaito.
Of course it is a lot like 80 plus. Yeah, because I love shoes. I love nice shoes. Yeah.
Kandi engoye iwe engoye bokubo bazaba zire mu wardrobe ine engoye nkazinga ize mirundenga
ezo tinkuyibara oyiroze rero ile wenga ezo tinkuyibara because arezi ntakyayijuka even mboko nintoze byo kujwara ngambe nono rukyali. Yeah, kwegambe ezo tinkusana azibara because I buy almost every day. Yeah.
Tiaro abayisiki ababandi bakurora mtaoni hanu abayijja bawo kubatize engoyo bakiki abayisiki bakutalibaniza mu kubatize engoyo.
Actually abayisiki bayija nibakuhabuza abayitu hiringa do you buy but omusiko gwengo yaziha ko bazete boutique na kiwana zigabani which is false. Yeah. Bayija nibangamba batize but unfortunately I don't.
Toti zangu.
I don't. I tell them to work hard and get what they want. Yeah.
Ekandi entaro zaba isiki bagenzi bawo banabo kubara haba isiki akurwa na kwenvinga na hure no guhaliwe na kuharana entarezo ozikozerota ozikorota abo kubanki manyirezi zo zero what zero
entaro zero but I keep them close. Nyonja kihura okoni batoka bonka nyobunko hika ubso kinja kubaza nanyo I won't attack them. I'll keep a smile for her. Yeah, nyonko reke ubseki emanyire but when I know yeah, so aba attackinga of course inakuba mna abanyanzigwa abo nyombe sembeza haishi because bo sembeza yo mnyanzigwa wawo manya bingi choka bo mwebinga otumayane kijja kugenda mu maiso ati nyabo mbesembeza haishi. I say hi, fine, how are you? Choka manyira what is in her mind.
Okay. Mwahansonge gyo yenyini zakiya bagamba nti yiwe esente zikusinga zino turaho tugambe gokora bagamba nti abasajja niwe kuhasente mbokura muna abasajja
but I'm a beautiful lady. Ntaka isika rungitindi kabi no bakumpa bampe it's my blessing.
tugambe na nanka no na bad black nawa omulimo gwa yako inspiring ngakati.
Not really. Kwa bojo. Nkyali mwana muto.
Takuinspiring.
I'm young to do that.
Kyonko tugambira n'abasajja bakwasente.
Bazimpa tinyonda zanga. I think nja kuzanga. Bazimpa of course. Haroli naija hari abasajja abagaba by the way you guys kumina kumanya. Not every man ntinga aja kusoka kusaba sex ni bakuhesene. Hari aba ito tugire migisa ito tuhabu. And I won't say no to your money. Tingu ganye na tinzarwa na you. I have to take it.
Hati abasambi ba Kitara football club bahagamba abasajja basambi bona abo kaikano kubarwanisa na timu ya Kitara kugichwamu habo awo
abo kabatabanyanya nyoba itu those guys abo batabanyanya nyoba they are my brothers kurubunya izire hoima twakiraga kuba restaurant bari yaho happy hours niho twayisangaga muno so they are like my brothers I can't date them and I've never and I akinu nkubaza ni murano okundwa no murunyoro busaya kangambagaza kiya kinu nakinu mbojo bakitara taro no one
kandi waraba ali mwakahura no
taro I don't date nyoti ndetinga bana bato
ababojo bakitara bana bato tibasa ku date
they are young hati bampiki they are young I'm expensive man they are young barakore sente baratsande
dating abasajja ba levoki
35 plus yeah
abakusa kwa sente
not sente baita abajja kumpanurira I don't know bamuriyo niko babibaza abagenda kumpano bagambaza kiya kinu nakinu tukikore kinu nakinu muntu akwetegereza akuzire mu bwongo
nke kigambo kibasinga kosa tugambe oyenda bashuga daddy monoxine
not sugar daddies betu nabo baba nabo mbenda kandi ati
abo kubo bazabazire mu bashuga daddy inayinkaba
I have one man
sugar daddy
at a time.
Sugar daddy.
He's my man. Tingamle sugar daddy. He's my man.
Zakia bakugamba nti oyawukaniza abakazi n'abasajja otwayira abasajja babandi amakaga abandi ogachwire.
Yokuchwa amakaga abandi nanyonka bihuraho. Nayetenga biboyine. Kawantu bagamba Zakia amakaga nankukaganaga avukinyo kintakuro. It's not false, it is real. Okuba nanyonka bihura ngeri wabihurira. Biri byambu
busaba sajja abasajja babanda bakwa
niba basingaye kumpwana kandi baba innocent of course nyonye ndaka sente nyoto genda kuneta hena kuyawe I love money a lot kuba nize zinfuire kindi kandi nizo nkuchesinga so abena kuyawe bagikaze yoko if you have money come vibe omusajja ono baba ina amakaga ye kajja nakwana abajja nakugamba mukazi waita kumumatiza excuse yaba nakuhanka anga okajja nangamba I love you nyote nkafuna ga musajja kungamba manya mukazi waita amatiza abo nibabu ntadetinga nyobo jano nga mukazi wata ta kumatiza iwe tinku dating kuzina nyonku ni hira nibyo jagigena no gambori wora kwanunda ugwa bata kumatiza kibi so iwe abo tinkira abafuna nyo I get responsible people and abantu abakuzire mu bwangu atakusa kubaza bintu nkebi najana kwana gamba I want you to be my girlfriend but I have a wife yeah
naba realistic ali
naba realistic nagamba nyongiro mukazi but you can be there too yeah and I be there in secrecy yeah
on a weekly basis basajja bangabo funa
abakoraki
abakukwana
every day every time every minute mfuna abakumva ibintu buri second ekarabo hajumu hyaka nakwana yeah of course omusajja gonza ina 15 years wajja kujja kugamba obo kwenda bato kwenda waina bikugamba because you are lady ito tukahanga babitugambira nje kujja kukwana bayiwo ikirize bato ikirize baito wakozereka kugambira yeah batukwana daire twakafuna oga challenge ya mukazi kukwata kinga kubantu okwenda omusajja wayi Antu nikyo kungambira at first I don't give them attention. Timbe attention ebintebe. Nabo nkimanya ntingu bakugambira nyenyende zoba nyokusa kujja ni kusmilingira even. Yeah. Toka mfuna ugo mukazi akajja akakuteere mpi akakurwanisa mbantu. Not really think amfunaga. Cause kugambe timba attention. Hati wala funa attention. Yeso limkaiba nyonyi nyizenye kula muki. How will you get that passion yokujja kunteera? Yeah, of course ugamba onne bebe bazabika bisu. Anti akubana agamba iwe niwo kulia sente za abana bange bakwabinga school fees iwe niwo kulia sente za ibanyo. kandi nyoni bonzi yenzi mareho nyukuri yaho butaito buragarikiriza iyo niwe jenu ni wari mumaka so tekana muko funira chance yo kufora mukazi wo mukatekana tekana ito tuli yesu turali azunga zituzireka
omanyira nti abasajja twende bihiyaka turore kihiyaka ntugurukira kihiyaka
hata kiyo nikyo ngwenda abakazi bateke minds nti ngutajja kufuna ntingo wanganye ndanyenka abo tubatahaye na nyoke niki kinta minds iyo ikana no muhano mugamba bebe no wora enda ba safe yeah there you be a good wife material but ari kwikana no rwanda saba genzi bawo aho umusajja tajja kwana kitinisi aiwe chwe ebingi bijja kwekora biyonka when you keep quiet no umusajja nahinduka wenka nengesa gamba ita bakimkazi wangu natenda kungana bakimkazi wanga tata akinga bikina biki nusanga sometimes umusajja na ruga abwenzi habwe kakuba tutoka you not in that category abo rugambo kandi muhesa all the time you're quiet nikindwa no umusajja sometimes but of course abetsikeke kibali makwetegereza wakutekereza ntingu barayimuka haigura hagenda katera mukaiba umusajja namurega tamanya the more you attack me the more the man nanyendera kimu koza jo nkwature kisa akazi kange bakatera bikibikinke yeah
tugambe abasajja bano bakwa muno sente
kwa I told you I work hard
but tugambe ne sente abasajja nabo ina percentage ba contributing
of course they contribute because I'm the person they see of course they want to contribute kasinga ebinkora beta kutunda bane bataka kunteka yeah cause of course baje kusanga Zakia smart ya
kiki okumanyisa nti ebyokora nti bita kutunda bini bya fashion kuba ni bakuinvestinga
ebya fashion of course oja kundora ahantu nogamba this babe ororenjo ile nkaito emtwara abiro orore she's in a suit she's kare kwegamba she's nice looking hata oja kujota nina kuyawo inakuja nese mubone nakuno byeganyira ngamuntu tinja musobora that's why tindetingwa abana bato because batina and who can hata kinako kimfuka ile a challenge kwegamba mfuna abasajja abakula bakunkwana
tofuna agements zao
tofuna myaka yange batina bagamba ono tumusobora
okay and besides omusajja kabagana ijja kumhaliwe akagamba Zakia nyonyi namo buzeyi wange nkanibwo just for a night au kusobora kuba noraba hadiru nkeke
not really I sleep with people I have emotions for emotion feeling yo muntu ni wabasajja benjamana
abo feeling in love with
yeah the people I'm in love with not everyone yeah
don't you realize nti abasajja bano baraba you have fallen in love with don't you realize oba maybe wani bakosa for their nanka wegenderwa byabo
hati nyobo kunkolesa nimbarage bitabo byange bikwatira wonka anyonki ali mwana muto
ebibaro nibakwa sente
nimbare byange binkubaramu iyo nobora nkolesa ka stanyo nkubara iyo nobora agenda it's okay
aka center bank atero kaise itokufara
hati kandi nyobi kunkwatira wonka obo kunywazi longazo you're telling me you love me hati nyongi njagenda mind yawo ntipinga sajo ntakunyenda tibi kunkwata ho azilongaze ngakuiba kuiba even so bikuba bitakunkwata
kiki ekisinga kubinga abasajja obaire nabo bakagamba nti bakuleka oboleka obonka oba ni obeyihaho kiki ekibaho kurora nti abasajja bano bakuleka wafuna abana
nyotingira x tingira x cause nyotimpika regio moment ntingu tutabuke no musajja kinu na kinu mbambi boyine I give you time nifuna gondi I give you time so twikalaho like friends
mukatinga ka relationship nehwa
tukatinga just butukwe sanga somewhere we again fall in love kwa tatabuki so I don't have exes around town tinyina ex wenda nyo they are all my buddies benya indeze bona they are my buddies
na mbere kikakwatira na kuteresa mu Zakia linka tugenda
was once her girlfriend or her wife wherever you caught it so nkubanta inabuzibu nawo kubanta tabuke nawo
omusajja wakwendeze kuba nawe mu future abo kuba ebyokushora bino obitekerezo ntakabuze na kene kyabuze
not now right now I'm 19 so ebintu byokuswera ebyo tinkaikire I still have much to do ne kinde kintu yange kinyenda mbe mu future tinkakikire obwire bono so ebyo tubiri na mind zange tubiri maybe I still have a journey to move but of course I have to get married and have kids I'm ready
myaka nkinga hamaje
28 years I still have like 9 years
omusajja wakwendeze kuba na kuswera kisisa nikiye kwendeza omusajja kusanata
first of all tinkwenda celeb laboro ko tarumba Zakia tinkwenda celeb mugenzi wange kwa
Utokwenda sereba tokwenda omusajja obora afuga makano sana mutera kiboko. Okwenda kubanka lema.
Kwati bitu byo kubanka lema shokanyo tinkwenda sereba. Akuba tetujjaga ita kulunga ebintu byaitu. Of course I want to be a celeb nayo kaba sereba. Tuja kwe building. Yeah, I want a man from any other industry, tari ya music industry. Or entertainment, wherever.
Kapo kyesinga ku inspiring mu Uganda. Tusoke tugenda level ya Uganda nebo tujja level ya Bunyoro. Kapo kyesinga ku inspiring.
Kapo. For now, tinyina bakuba baziregen betabatabura all the time ono bamteire ono bakuruga kumuswera jueri kandi bangaine so for now tinyina. I don't have any kapo.
Kandi hano Bunyoro mutawoni hoyi mahano. Kapo kyesinga ku inspiring.
Kapo exinga ku inspiring. Enyurani nyenda ngumbe like them. Area Davis na Jackie. By the way, I love you guys. I love you. Mbendabo. They inspire me a lot. Zobona batamo entertainment industry bite kiki abakwatayo. Kyokano ranyo nsa kwenda entertainment industry byangeni byanga. So abo never inspiring muno. I just like them their ways.
Zakia biki byosinga kwenda boba li free utaenda kyokora obomezi bwao boba buta biki kisinga kutwalira obwire.
Bombandi phrase in how Bombanta ina ba clients ndaundi ID.
Tosa kuboli ID baitu tugeze mu mbwire bwao kintu kisinga kutwalira obwire.
I do TikTok videos. Bombanta ina byokora nteka data nikakora TikTok videos. I listen to music. Ngenda Instagram nindora bike trendinga kike kibaturukize. I follow my models. Ndora na ba fashion zi kike kibapostingire in my free time. Ngenda kora kike kirungi until like that Ebintu byokora bino bitwara bikusana bitwara data nyingi muno on a monthly basis okosa data ya sentences. Monthly basis. Twaro mwenda. Twaro mwenda per month data.
Okay. Tuhe akazi na kanda kakabiri nubo tugaruke na phase yait ya kasatu tumale program yetu.
Akakabiri nyenda samwa abukuba harimo lyrics zinkorera sometimes. Mbanda unyikarire nteka akazi na ka flow star. Bubaba ntabuyire bumbampuire kino kibabarize kino zakia kino na kino nteka akazi. Akasigo samwa I just love the song, the message in it. So ege by dedication yanyu na bakuvyo wing.
Okahereza yo asoko kahereze abananka bakabaroba onkani babo.
Tinyina mkayibanyowe panawo.
Kale kahereze omuntu omukomo akasama.
No, abageza ku warampa zakia nibonkahereza.
Tuye ibara limu.
Ebe tubebaza mu kamera ha. Wa yemanyire.
Agazida kanu sama kale kakabanyimero kuruga mafigo we season tujagaruka na zakia nebale mu.
Peace on fire, Money Boy music, sounds of Figure West, master skills. Bokeire kekialero nyaimuka, amaisha nyaganaba, nyateza majo nyasaba. Oh, mukama na kialero kukikukwasa, omperese kyokulya, amirimo yenkora. Embaline sati nyabijwara. Oh, neighbor yandora, neighbor mama, neighbor yanyeta anyumize. Oh, otabaire kababalize. Yeah, ngotarwaira kwekozesa akutoze ibara abandi afire. Wow, hey, orugambo ukabalemesa nebyokora. Samogo akabalemesa nebyokora. Abanyoro nitwetomera, abanyoro nitwesamba, abwasi nitwetomera. Omuraro wa podo wenyanya tubaharana. Nomukaikulu ataina kantu tumuharana. Abandi baire nitweyenda, abandi baire nitwegondeza, abandi baire nitweyamba. Aina na yamba ataina. Umbihura mu bikubo ngoronyoro tiltunda. Chambada kankugambire nabo bigambira bakusekerera. Mubado molindoma, olingundo yendoma.
habwokuba okwejuma okwegarura enyuma olugambo olwo lukabalemesa n'ebyokora samwasamogo akabalemesa n'ebyokora abanyoro nitwetomera abanyoro nitwesamba abwata nitwetomera
abarozi bakitara TV mwebale mukazina ako kasamwasamwa Zakia agambira ina abantu bakasindikira ero tatugambira akasindikiro Zakia tubaire ntukyanyumyamu hali nambe tugende mu break tubaire tuli tukyala life yawo ya modeling omyaka 5 okwerora nka hamu kintu kine kya modeling
myaka 5 genze haraira nyo myaka nkebiri kishweka nkola ninja kuba muntu wa maana I have that positivity ngenda kuba nifuna companies nyingi zikunkolesa yeah so I have that hope and positivity and ninja kuba haraira myaka 5 nja kuba mfundire mu kintu kikoto mu modeling I'm not doing it for fun and for my followers, but I'm doing it for myself. Kweyombeka nko mwisiki ndakaswa ire mbaire nyinaki musajja sangire nyinaki atali kusanga olaho disile queen mebe sile queen babanako disile queen akolole kurungi batu bwa in your personal life tori kurungi nikyo nkwenda mbinge bwire buno I want to be someone who is big. I become a brand, yeah, in 2.5 years.
Mu myaka ebiri nekicheko kwenda oli brand.
Yeah.
Wakapi alinga mbizi nankabinga byabazini ba hano binyoro.
Like 6 songs zisinanka mukaga.
Omuzini bwabana ijahaliwe. Kugamba nti nkwenda aijata na nkusango gamba nkwenda obeho mukizina kyange aijata bokoga ito ina management haikiriroha.
Actually tubali bazina abaija ba director ne babaija ne bangamba Zakia we love what you do okusa ku tundise ekizina kyaitu yeah okusa kuba ekizina kyaitu kusa kutunda wa face yawo yeah so we negotiate how much bichi bikwetagisa tugenda asini
otandikira mbuka inde kwinga
ebyo birekota seza abana babantu ebyo byange nabaija ba promoters babazini naba bloggers ba directors nibaba bimanyire
bagamba abazini ba models ababa mu video zao babakozesa babazini bantu bakozesa bayinga bakakosa abazini
usaya kakingambaga even
okenge kauzo kempa wizi kukubyamawo
anti nikyo nkugambira usaya kakingambaga they fear me and I love that people respect me. The people I stay with respect me. Takusaki ngambira. I'm not that cheap. Yeah.
Buso muntu wena yakajaga gama nti kambya mena ifo ifeva.
Of course baba mu ni baba yingi. Omuntu ajja mu DM yawe new number natandika kugamba this and this. Manya mitwala 5 okulabaho manya mitwala from nowhere. Tuno we habuze kandi no hamu sindikire. Sometimes ofuna na intention egama maybe on haramu sindikire. Yeah. Baija bayingi.
Ogenda muno bintu byokuchakara bino chakara muno.
Actually tinchakara muno but once a while. Budi tinyachagara gatotale, tinyagenda gatotale totally. Ntakusana kusamba manyaba kirangire nkaha manya disco manya tugende tupartyinge mu clubs I wouldn't. But recently ahonyize ne kintu kigamba bwengendo okodola bingi ndola keki kulibata maiso I go once a week.
Oba habu kuba buli hoimoka batakagimanyire korona.
Nibonya tandika kuchakara recently mu December. Recent last year December kana hoimoka bangimanyire. Yeah.
Okay. Besides mu bizina aro companies zakajaga nzigama nti tukwendo ba maybe tukose kurango ingoyi zaitu kurange nkaito zaitu.
Companies nyingi baitu kandi tule esente nize tule mix. Bana bagabo sente butaito nyonta ajja kulabo kandi ngenda kuteka mu energy nyingi. So ni bagamba for a moment mbeni mwetekeleza. We shall resume it when you done.
Osazi no kusako bano welcoming manager gama nti muntu akwendeze ku managing brand yawe bakigoba toka ikire ku welcoming.
I can welcome him at a time. Kuba ekinakyo kiyambaho na waija na mageza agaye agajja kuyamba mukyokola. Tingu nina tingu nja kwijwa managingwe omuntu atakwenda kinkola. Of course aja kuba na lovinga what I do. Of course na waija na magezi gani gagamba tukola kintu tujja kuyamkini. So I would love to have one.
Atu okwendeze manager kuisana alata.
Ati baisana bati. Era inakuba 30 plus. Tinkwenda bana batu.
Ati 30 plus kumanyisa mukuba ni mweyenda gutugambe gasa tune oyenda basajja boyenda abakuru.
Ate wasa atakuba mwana mutu ngambire nyenda 35 plus. Yeah.
Ekandi bakwizira munanka mu line egyo na kwenda ni mweyenda ali manager wao.
Nibe tubihanga ati nkwenda kuyenda. Nkwenda korogwa na nyonkorogwa. Because I have a man. Yeah.
Hati nkwenda ukoso mukisagu no yeto omuntu wena kwendeze kuba na kumanaging.
Alabali yoko and you're willing, you love what Zakia does, you're welcome. Aje a platform yange, aye number and texting our WhatsApp, yeah, welcome. But with the purpose of managing.
Nkuhondera muno nanka TikTok videos zawe zokola. Nkuro ina muna passion ya acting. Ekintu kini kyo acting okitekerezeki kuzana film kuzana comedy.
Ngitekerezaho but at a time I'm shy. Sometimes imba shy kwegamba camera bugintunuzamu nimba ntateka ine but I think in time nja kuba ndi okay ndi settled but I love it. I love acting.
So what kiki kuteka munanka mu vibe abokuba abazina abandi bagambe kibateka mu vibe abamanywira akanairo akabiyo bakikinka musajja wange omwe ntajja kwatura akama ikimuteka mu vibe kaba kanaira abandi ikimuteka mu vibe kaba araka ngeka bakoleta biro bina katorero abandi kuba kuchika mu mwika iwe kiki kuteka mu vibe to do what you do.
Me, I love what I do, I become myself, second take a vibe. But bumba nyenda kuyosha inensi, aro butorero.
Do you use drugs to be be realistic and open, or cause drugs?
I don't use the drugs, and I don't have any hope. I don't like what it does to a person.
Okay.
Health-wise, it's bad. Nabagikoresha stop it. It's bad, yeah. And I'll never use it.
Nera tukosa platform enogamba abantu abakose drugs. Abokwara abantu abakura sazinu byokora. Natekizane bagamba nti mpakaza kiine kyakosa. Iwe bagambire nti it is not drugs.
It's not drugs, it's Zakia herself yenda. I love what I do, so I don't think nina kuteka mu drugs. And I don't think one time ndikolesa drug. Never. Tindigikolesa. I can take booze, I can take beer, I can do what, but any drug again attacking my brain, not really. I can't. It's bad.
Besides zekia tuwalizekia drugs, iwe boba norora bine ebintu byokora kike kisinga kusindika no gamanti ndabokuba toina mwana iwe okolerera kisahaze.
I want to be a better woman in future. Nkwenda abana bange basange ndi kulungi. I have hopes of giving birth. Kugambira gendi mukazi. So nyina ya ekikugamba ntengu ndizara kiriyo. And one time I will have kids. One time comes. Gure wabati bukaikiri. Bureyika will have them 2 or 3.
Hapo intejo yenyini Zakia wakaye mugenda.
Nenyamu yake. Nyawa kuntweko go waki. Tenga fonera kuntweka.
Tibaka kutweka ugaze mbomezi bwao.
Aha natweka Zakia. Yo soko yo kusaka kuntweka ari niyo. Tosobola na iwe rokutina butinda. Gonza no dating, gonza no koraki. Ero inakutina. And which I like kinyambire muno genda maiso nebinkora.
Omanyira basajja ba complaining muno bagamba nti mukweka pika ebintu bingi.
Nakatubye
omusajja kusigala kuteera ensigo na busai.
Kandi bakyazitera muno stroke bazara. I have to give birth at a risk. Ntingu nge katugambe I've decided to give birth. Tinja gumya gazara because people give birth. Nina kuzara nsonga. Tivya gumya gazara. Do something big. Tivyo kuntweka enda just. Yeah.
Abakazi nkayi wabakola ebintu byokora bino benda muno kuswerwa abajungu. Iwe nayo kwenda kuswerwa mujungu obo kwendeza omunyoro wa hanu wakutwe akwetwali.
Nkwenda omuka kwani wagenda kunyetegereza. ora mujunga ajja kujja bujane sente zaye ni wakuba basiki twenda sente nyiruke bwiruka at the time nosanga mujunga ina family zaye takusa kuikiza no genda heru no mwana wa kuzaire na Amerika aho mbeni ngamba basiki bagenzi banga basajja abajunga bo sometimes tubalekeye mukolese byo mukolesa muhime kyo kumuyihamo mu dumping
omufunege sazi no kumworoka minga like nyonsa kuba nyina obwenkwenda kutekera okumekiriza
dating. But for now I have a man. How can I kumpa abasajja?
Ati abajungu bagaba to my story ya nanka ya bad black.
Tengwenda for now. I am comfortable with my life. My man understands me. My man ni watagenda kunjajinga. My man knows the real Zakia. So I don't think ngenda kufuna yo musajja onde agenda kunyetegeza like the way he does. Of course I have dated many, but of say akanyetegeza like the person I have. Ni wankenga winka in my lifestyle here. So
ni wohogo mutugambira.
He's there na wali yo na wakuturola. Yeah, akurola kuina kubaza.
Arona mahula gaba irone bagamba nti Tret Park okamudatinga.
I've never, he's young and he's broke.
Ogambira ati Tret Park musamu dating omusajja ogwe.
He's young and he's broke. I love money.
Tret Park na waina mu busente bwayi nko musajja.
Bantu kumuyamba nebya ibe tuzakiyo tebu muyamba.
Kandi bakagamba na nanko kamudatinga okero niji.
Kero Jiwaha, not really you people. Waha. But now the upcoming artists. Kero is an upcoming artist. Mdari busente bwayi.
Kero nyeje ino imo busente bwayi nko musajja nawe.
Iwe ni wakolora buina. Nyotinzirora. I'm not saying the money he has. Yeah, he has ezo kulia. Aineza kutahinga care of the family, but ezo zakia tainazo. Kuba nyonja kwemera mugambe weekend spending azuni nazuni tajja subu. Of course ajja kuyiruka. So I don't think I can date him.
Buso muzini wona yakakukwanaga.
Bankwana on a daily basis.
Muzini ki yakakukwana.
Deka.
Kandi King G-Cent na King G-Cent bagana akakukwana. Mukeyenda una King G-Cent.
Tuteyende. Tuteyende King G-Cent. Omukazi we atamnywani wange. That's what I can say about King G-Cent. Her girlfriend is my best friend.
Taka kukwana oga.
Hangati ora kwa na mnyani omukazi wawe abo nibo abasajja benta kwenda bembinga abunyabingaga. How can you date my friend? Hati niwe nayi wali musajja. Abo nibo benta kwenda.
Ati abasajja bonora bano gamba bato iwo kwenda abasajja bakwisana bato.
Kwenda abasajja bakuzira mbitekerezo. Abakuzire people who can understand. Atali bana mutujja kusiba ntulwana. Na okuba tukuinga na emyaka busagenda kwanulira mugenzi wayi. Abo tinko kyagira kino.
Enyuma halo tugambire oganti okufindinga challenge nanti abasajja emyaka yao tibakukwana. Challenge ki okisangira kizibu okisangira otembere.
For now kikunyamba okuba nki alina binge binkuhambia. But at a time kijja ku affecting munda bankuzire maybe. Because bajja kwani bagamba ugo tainda bana batuno bundi bankuzire. Ugo tainda abantu emyaka yaye. So people will still fear to come to me. Yeah. But for now it's okay kikunyamba. But aija
Ogambire ko ine myaka enga?
I'm 19.
Hati 19 mala abasajja bokubaza hawa bokwenda tibatata bawo benyine.
No baranzara as long as you finding a him point.
Baba ni bakweta baby.
It's all about future. They are my daddies, I'm their baby.
You only baby wow ni baba tata bawo.
Which is okay as long as I'm getting what I want. And I have one please like a gambabo. Yeah.
Aina miaka ngea you know.
It's 36.
36. Okay. Umuhe yobugambo mugaye daddy
Kwa bekiyombi bugamba. There is nothing new.
No be open mugambe sazi nonti daddy ndana akurora sana.
Aba still bajja kumuyiba. They will look for him.
Obo kutudupa basakuba baliyo bayinjota.
Haliyo mu wayi.
No buza naona ntaliyo mu ndamanya bali bayi. Ati aroma magezi gani? Asa kuba baliyo bayinaga ninyuwa kubazo kyonka tokusa kumubaza ibara abakuba okumubuzabuza.
Haliyo mu wayi manyire baby hi.
Ati agagamba ko gambire baby hi basakuba bali nka 10 bagamba nti ninyowe.
Nyo manyiro omu abakwemanya byabo but me no one.
Zakia ko uli mugezi muno amyaka yayi ko.
Ero inakuba mugezi nibo rabe monseni. You have to be wise enough. Nibo yemeke okwenda.
Bunyole ne kunyumire.
Kahore kansima. Bulia slaying.
Bakagamba abakubo ino no kyaija mu hoima muno bakagamba ne mukigitoka kwata.
ntakwate muni kuonyesa na mwana wa mama sembeza hane kamera baroro bugaro bwange babuwe bukakoni bwa butakoni so ntabikwate
ekigita utoka kwatamuka
yes this is a baby junior niteka maka oilo kange ninya kaninge da street
ogambe wesiga baby junior
yeah baby junior je
hati kanda abakazi abakwata mu kigita bo kubagamba
it's bro makoreke munyumira nyuti kusaba attackinga everyone does what she loves so I'm proud of myself Zakia she may be proud of herself so abo tinku banenya bakusakora kibaka kwenda kiona as long as making her happier kana wakifuna so they are right to do whatever they want
mujane ya wenu ya ebyokola bine bya modo muntu kiwo kugamba nti nankambe eriroho muno no gamanti aina kya kuteyiroho aina namba ya kupushingire no ranti okusaka kuma credit
ikintu kya modeling I think my cameraman anyambireho he takes good pics and warasinze nungi nangamba atomanyiza kia tugenda chikubireno tukenda kama transporting tugenda to pick Abraham Pictures to pick something good for our followers now anyambireho at a time
kandondi
only these bloggers my little boys by Triplo Whiskey
obesere ba little boys
they are my little boys of course they are little
okumanyisa kibogamba little boys
okay my little brothers how can they are my little brothers bana bato but they do blogging they do promotions ba hore kids bona
obasasula
they do it for love I don't pay anyone
okay okwendo gamuli abusa kusakwa
naiwende kam kanika kugambire ba keroni bakabarema kanda kwanu hamwe abatabumbalisa no one
antumaliriza program eno Kitara TV bigambo kibi wakwendeze kugamba hala abantu abali mu industry eno nabo maybe arahaba kuluki the people are looking at you abakwendeze kubanka yiwe bigambo kibi okuwa bikusemba byokusa kubona bagamba
they should love what they do they should work hard they should believe in God that everything can happen nyoka bantakini at one time I will be interviewed on a TV nkabantakini at a time because when I came to Hoima was something small nkabantaina kiindi but I tried to fix myself in that industry because I loved it entertainment industry so they don't give up but I giving up everything can come at a time and if you believe in God bulikimukijja buija don't hate don't create hatred don't create propagandas be you yeah because I'm also Zakia me myself
ogambiro kabatakunira nto kusakuba kine kintu kiolisa hazino muntu ki contact person go yasokere kutandikiraho ikikire muhima into this industry
aya sokere kukora nkake
oba kukuteka mama niba kukuyambaho
mbunya appearing video ya Jesse Nectar it was mid 2019 bamaze kununko mwaka gumu then banterera rumya no wamwetadiso yangamba Zakia will you manage it nyamugamba managing what yangamba Nectar akutoza Vixen wetakafunira nyamugamba I can make it then I had to request an offer mulimo shoka boss wange nyamudupa nyamugamba he bintu bingenda kutabara hanyanja aba video tukashooting yapti yaba then yanyikiza tuwagena baito mudupire ntamugambira amazima kiki ngenda akora hata iyo video byaturukire ba postinga posts zagenda viral batandika kwehabuza abantu nibaterana Nectar nagamba baito Nectar kamugamba tagabe number yange kosi nkabanihira guys to ask for her number umanyiri yabasajja biko bakaraka isikarunge mu video nibatandika kusaba inamba and it was my first time to appear in a video hati nyamugamba umanyiri otagaba video yake I mean I'm sorry tagabe number yeah hati so ekyo kyanyamba muno kumpushinga tani haho mukasumi yako kenyini niho na papate ya izili hata kanda unyagenda kimo mu light muno ba Douglas na tukolesaga ibintu nkebyo ntwa apyenaga page zabo ebye ngiri yanyambire bugali
atugambe video ya Jesse Nectar niyo yakutemera umuhanda
ne yatemera umuhanda ndayo truly thank him
bachi bagamba Zakia nti nayi wetekaho muno wespata muno abantu
ko spata anta
no wetekaho muno mbutara
But can't talk with a computer that I kiori. No one will give you attention. That means in a kindi. Of course, I can't just come there and kakwesibira Julia Civic na bino. I have to do something. Nko na iwo mpa attention. Cause omuntu tajja kulugo kwa taina kyalota mmanyira akakuwa attention nayo kagimo.
So ni ensonga bakiweteeka omu.
Yeah, I'm coming a brand soon. So I have to fix myself everywhere. Kachance ke nkafunire.
Bagamba nti na birthdays ziba muno mu town ezikusinga obwingi obaho muno osana so that imanyira kiki.
Of course I have friends. But you can't ziba zone zikusinga. My personal person is only birthdays ingenda. My personal person is only.
Nibo bakusinga basinga kweli.
No, yeah, they invite me. Of course I invite them too. Mbanye ne kenyine ningamba you guys you can come and check up on me. I have this for you. Yeah.
Aba kutondera Kitara TV kiro kintu tubaire na Zakia and Zakia ngenda kusaba orage abarozi ba Kitara TV nubo tusibule tumalize program ye.
Abarozi ba Kitara TV mwebale turora. I think the interview was good. You can subscribe her YouTube, liking a page ya Facebook, Instagram you can like it. It's Instagram.
Yes.
LinkedIn.
Kitara TV.
Then
Twitter, Kitara TV. Oh, na Kitara TV.
You can like and share the page. Yeah, I would just love it when you have more followers. That's what I can say.
Kizi na kiki wakwendeze tumalire na kyo program.
Kizi no sibiro ya Keroniji. Era kamba haka Keroniji byatsi byakureka. Yeah.
Ko mubalizo waseka.
Musibiro ho gaira ntengo you had him kamwenda. So but it was false. But I just love his music. Baba byatsi byakureka. As we sign out.
Yes. Abarozi ba Kitara TV, that was just Judge Zakia for you. Nkubaijukiza tinja kweba kubaijukiza nakane no kunotinja na kujua kubaga nimbagamba nti mugenda Facebook mufollowing Kitara TV, mugenda Twitter Kitara TV, mugenda Instagram Kitara TV, mugenda na YouTube Kitara TV o subscribing ho na social media platforms zaitu mutu subscribing abanyoro abagungu abatoro abaganda nganda zona tuzenda muno kandi mwebale munono kuba muri hano kunyenda nkanyowe ko muntu Julius Chomuhendo kandi no kugonza Kitara TV ankora muki abanywani bange nywenda na mbere mukali Steven ali kamera webale muno Henry Don producer waitu kandi editor waitu mwebale muno nebindi byona muno aba Kitara TV we sign out. Thank you very much mpaka utwaitana ekireki
Kelon Chomuchamu na run the don Hinterland music taking over the big boy music. Yeah. Rubatana nyowendo batenaiwe. Hey. Kwato mukono gwange kwato bwawe. Hey. Oh my baby kwenda kuzina naiwe. Hey. Byansi byakuleka. Hey. Byansi byakuleka. Hey. Byansi byakuleka. We mbaire mpowere musonda kuboine no chikebe bintu no bikankanya musayi gwa rubata mutima gwatera buli muntu ahindukire bona bakutunulira nkwata ha mukono ija tuzinemu bora bano sirimbuka nyowe ninyambuka zina mawe wanaiwoli nteza rubata na nyowe ndo bate naiwe. Kwato mukono gwange kwato bwawe. Oh my baby kwenda kuzina naiwe. Byansi byakuleka. Hey. Byansi byakuleka. Hey. Byansi byakuleka. Wanaiwe bakakuhanga bata ebintu byawe biwuniriza. Bunkuroranye nani